Morning guys, how's it going today? So it's kind of a foggy day this morning to start out, but it's nice. So trusses are going to get delivered today. They called and said they're going to wait for the fog to lift for better visibility. They do have to have an escort because they're just over 12 feet tall at the peak. 12'3" I think. But that's exciting. But what I'm thankful for today is birthdays. My wife's birthday today. So I'm thankful that we can celebrate birthdays today. Let me know what you guys are thankful for. So quick update on the house. This is a big stack of this aluminum roofing that I got off the patio yesterday. So got that all off and hooked up the mini excavator to these right here, these posts. Pulled them out, so that was nice. The concrete and everything came out. But yeah, so that's looking pretty different in there. So up here on the roof, I got this whole side all torn off right down to the edge. This soffit here, there's a wooden soffit in here above the aluminum soffit that's on currently. So that's not going to come out super easy as I thought, but I think if I keep working it, it'll come. Yeah, so the plan today is to get this all torn off if possible. I was going to show you this ridge pole here. Man, this thing's probably about 30 feet long. And it looks like maybe a 24-foot piece is all they had. So they had to lengthen it, and they put this scarf joint here or something. I think you would call it, probably. It's about a 3-foot long joint to piece it together. But that's what was in all the hips for the ridges. Anyway, well man, check out this mess I got going on here. But I am ripping and tearing. Got almost half of the roof framing torn off. Not the ceiling joists, but the roof framing. I'll bring you in the house here, show from underneath. So yeah, we called in the dumpster, so now I got to get it loaded quick. But I thought we were going to fit all this in one dumpster, but I guess not. So we're going to save the ceiling joists as much as we can, if they're any good. But here you can see wide open sky. Oh yeah. So this whole side is all torn off up to there, and even some of that, and then this whole corner. So, except for the ceiling joist, but so that's coming along good. Really good. Finally got all the boards off. That's what's the time-consuming part. But yeah, cool. I just thought I would show you guys the update. So, thanks for watching, guys.